Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about use of important instrument used in construction site. What are the uses of cover block? Answer. It protects reinforcement from thermal expansion during the fire. It protects reinforcement from corrosion. What is the use of Plumb Bob? Answer. It is used to provide vertical datum lines for the building measurements. It is used to check the verticality of column, wall, or any other flat vertical surface. A plumb bob can be used to mark a reference point above or below adjovan point. What is the use of the right angle? Answer. It is used to place the object at the right angle, 90 degrees. It is also used in the layout of the wall to set the corresponding wall at the right angle to each other. It is also used to set the skirting at the right angle with respect to floor. What is the use of Sprit level? Answer. A spirit level, bubble level, or simply a level is an instrument designed to indicate whether a surface is horizontal, level, or vertical, plumb. Different types of spirit levels may be used by carpenters, stonemasons, bricklayers, other building trades workers, surveyors, millwrights, and other metal workers, and in some photographic or videographic work. What is the use of HILTI PD5 laser meter? Answer. It is used to measure horizontal and vertical distance between two walls or any two partitions. What is the use of hydrometer? Answer. Hydrometer is used to measure the specific gravity, or relative density, of liquids. What is the use of level pipe tube? Answer. Level pipe tube is used to transfer the existing level from one place to another. It is also used to check all points of the wall are at the same level or not. What is the use of line Dori? Answer. Line Dori is a wire or thread used to align the wall, beam, and other building elements during construction. What is the use of coupler? Answer. A steel coupler is used to couple or join two pieces of steel together in the building or any other civil works. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.